In this video, I am going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about ribosomes which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. Scientist who discovered the ribosomes for the first time is George Blard, Theodore Schwann, Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke. So correct answer is option A. George Blard discovered the ribosomes for the first time in 1953. Question number 2. Ribosomes are made up of DNA and proteins, RNA and proteins, RNA only, proteins and lipids. So correct answer is option B. Ribosomes are made of ribosomal RNA and protein. That's why they are also known as ribonucleoproteins. Question number 3. Ribosomes are absent in nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, cytoplasm. So correct answer is option A. Ribosomes are absent in nucleus while it is mainly present in cytoplasm. In addition to cytoplasm, ribosomes are also present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Question number 4. Most abundant amino acid in ribosomes are valine and proline, histidine and methionine, lysine and arginine, glycine and alanine. So correct answer is option C. The most abundant amino acid in ribosomes are lysine and arginine, and these are positively charged amino acid. That's why ribosomes are basic in nature. Question number 5. The subunits of ATS ribosomes include 40S and 50S, 30S and 50S, 40S and 60S, 20S and 60S. So correct answer is option C. The subunit of ATS ribosomes are 50S as well as 60S, and ATS ribosomes are present in eukaryotic cells. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Ion required for binding of ribosomal subunits is sodium, magnesium, manganese, iron. So correct answer is option B. Magnesium ions are required for binding of ribosomal subunits to form ribosomes. Question 7. 70S ribosomes are present in fungi, prokaryotes, animals, plants. So correct answer is option B. 70S ribosomes are present in prokaryotic cells, especially bacteria. Question 8. The larger and smaller subunit of 70S ribosomes is 50S and 30S, 30S and 40S, 40S and 20S, 20S and 50S. So correct answer is option A. The larger subunit of 70S ribosomes is 50S as well as smaller subunit is 30S. So correct answer is option A. Question 9. Where the ribosomal RNA are formed? In cytoplasm, in mitochondria, in cell wall, in nucleus. So correct answer is option D. All types of RNAs are formed in nucleus and ribosomal RNA is formed inside the nucleolus. Question 10. Which ribosome is found in mitochondria? 55S, 70S ribosomes, 80S ribosomes, 90S ribosomes. So correct answer is option A. The ribosomes that are found in mitochondria as well as chloroplast are 50S ribosomes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और इसके साथ अगर आपको सेल बायोलॉजी के बाकी टॉपिक्स पर वीडियोस चाहिए तो आप इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट विज़िट करें। वहाँ मैंने सेल बायोलॉजी के नाम से एक प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है जिसमें बाकी सारे टॉपिक्स पर MCQs अवेलेबल है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Ribosomal RNA found in eukaryotic ribosome is 18S ribosomal RNA, 28S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Generally 4 types of ribosomal RNA are found: 18S, 28S, 5S. In addition to this, 5.8S ribosomal RNA is also found in eukaryotic ribosome. So correct answer is option D, all of these. Question 12. Which ribosomal RNA molecule is found in 18S ribosome? 18S ribosome is a smaller subunit of 80S ribosomes of eukaryotes. Option A is 18S ribosomal RNA, 28S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, 5.8S ribosomal RNA. So correct answer is option A. 18S ribosomal RNA is found in smaller subunit 40S ribosomes of eukaryotic ribosomes, while the remaining 3 ribosomal RNA are found in larger subunit 60S. Question 13. Which ribosomal RNA molecule is absent in prokaryotes? 23S ribosomal RNA, 16S ribosomal RNA, 20S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA. So correct answer is option C. 20S ribosomal RNA is absent in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes generally have 3 types of ribosomal RNA: 23S, 16S, and 5S ribosomal RNA. Question 14. The person who discovered the ribosomes in plant cells is McCarthy, Robinson and Brown, Lederberg, Sutton and Boveri. So correct answer is option B. Robinson and Brown discovered the ribosomes in plant cells. Question 15. Proportion of ribosomal RNA and proteins in prokaryotic cells is 1:1, 1:2, 2:1, 2:2. So correct answer is option C. The proportion of ribosomal RNA and proteins in prokaryotic cell is 2:1. Generally, the prokaryotic cells contain 70S ribosomes, which contain 60% ribosomal RNA and 40% proteins. So correct answer is option C. Question 16. Which ribosomal RNA is not synthesized in the nucleolus? 18S ribosomal RNA, 20S ribosomal RNA, 5S ribosomal RNA, 5.8S ribosomal RNA. So correct answer is option C. 5S ribosomal RNA is not synthesized in the nucleolus, rather it is synthesized on the chromosomes outside the nucleolus. Question 17. Minimum concentration of magnesium ions required for ribosome formation is 2.0 molar concentration, 1.00 molar concentration, 0.001 molar concentration, 0.02 molar concentration. So correct answer is option C. 0.01 mole concentration of magnesium ion is required for ribosome formation. Question 18. Which of the following cell is devoid of ribosomes? Muscle cell, red blood cells, white blood cells, nerve cell. So correct answer is option B. Red blood cells are devoid of ribosomes while the remaining cells contain ribosomes. Due to absence of ribosomes, red blood cells have average or temporary lifespan equal to 120 days. Question 19. Smallest cell organelles are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, plastid. So correct answer is option C. Smallest cell organelles are ribosomes and their diameter is equal to almost 20 nanometer. In angstrom, it is equal to 100 to 200 angstrom. Question 20. Magnesium ions form which type of bond between two ribosomal subunits? Ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, metallic bond. So correct answer is option A. Magnesium ions forms ionic bond with phosphate end of ribosomal RNA of two ribosomal subunits to form ribosomes. Question 21. Which is expressed by S unit: sedimentation coefficient, standard coefficient, statistical coefficient, subunit coefficient. So correct answer is option A. S unit is abbreviated as sedimentation coefficient and it is used for ribosomes. Question 22. Antibiotics that inhibits the protein synthesis in eukaryotes is cycloheximide, chloramphenicol, penicillin, synhonine. So correct answer is option A. Cycloheximide is an antibiotic that inhibits the protein synthesis in case of eukaryotes. Question 23. Chloramphenicol inhibits the animal ribosomes, plant ribosomes, bacterial ribosomes, both A and B. So correct answer is option C. Chloramphenicol is an antibiotic that inhibits the bacterial ribosomes. It is present in eukaryotes. Question 24. Protein factory of the cell is nucleus, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome. So correct answer is option D. Protein factory of the cell is known as ribosomes. Question 25. The messenger RNA links up with ribosomes to start the process of translation, transcription, replication, splicing. So correct answer is option A. Messenger RNA links up with ribosomes. So ribosomes reads the message on the messenger RNA. So this process is known as translation. Question 26. Non-membranous cell organelles are mitochondria, Golgi complex, ribosomes, plastid. So correct answer is option C. Non-membranous organelles are ribosomes. They are not covered by any membrane. Question 27. Functional unit of protein synthesis is peroxisome, lysosomes, ribosomes, centrosomes. So correct answer is option C. Ribosomes are a functional unit used in protein synthesis inside the cell. Question 28. The ribosomes that are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum through hydrophobic interaction, disulfide bond, peptide bond, hydrogen bond. So correct answer is option A. Ribosomes are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum through hydrophobic interaction. Question 29. When messenger RNA combines with ribosomes, then the structure formed is mesosome, polysomes, peroxisomes, lysosome. So correct answer is option B. Messenger RNA molecules combines with many ribosomes to form a polysome. Question 30. In which year the ribosomes were discovered? 1953, 1859, 1809, 1811, 1911. So correct answer is option A. Ribosomes were discovered in 1953 by George Blood. तो ये थे 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट राइबोसोम्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।